Let's talk windshield repair and setting the right expectation. Sometimes we get caught up in the windshield repair process and forget to set the right expectation and explain the benefits of windshield repair to the customer. So here are some friendly reminders. A windshield repair will restore the structural integrity of the windshield, which is a critical safety component of any vehicle, and it prevents the damage from spreading. It enhances the cosmetic appearance of the windshield by significantly reducing the visibility of the original damage. Also, it restores a smooth surface to the damaged area to avoid interference with the windshield wipers. A windshield repair is cost effective since it saves the consumer and the insurance company money. It's fast because the windshield repair takes about 15 minutes of time. Windshield repair also protects the environment by keeping laminated glass out of the landfills. I always try to explain this to customers before I work on their windshield, and then I get them to sign a work order before I work on the windshield. The main thing here is that I get their contact information, I notate where the damage is located, and I explain that due to the unstable properties of damaged glass, and in the rare event that your windshield cracks out, I owe you nothing and you owe me nothing. I verbalize that to them, and then I have them sign the work order and I get to work. Your routine might be different, so drop a comment below and let us know what your process is.
If you're finding value in this video, be a friend and tell a friend. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons.